What is going on, guys? Q50 here, back again today with another video. And right now we got a package. We finally got something aesthetic for the Q50, so I'm gonna open this up for you guys, show you guys the items that I got, and we're gonna go through and try and install it right now, and I'm gonna show you guys. So here I got a package from UPS. I kind of already opened it just to check what's inside, but we're gonna go ahead and go through it together. So let's see what's inside here. First thing in the box, we got a spray bottle. As you guys see, we got a heat gun here as well. We get a heat gun. So it looks like we got our vinyl, we got our squeegee, and we got our X-Acto knife. So yes, this is actually gonna be a tint for our car, and it's actually gonna be for the headlight. I actually got a gloss black amber delete. Let me open this up for you guys just so you can see. As you see, this is gonna be the gloss black amber delete on the basically side corner of your headlight. It's that little orange reflector that comes factory with basically all cars. It's mandatory, US regulated, and we're basically gonna take that out. I'm not 100% sure if that's legal or not, but it's gonna make it look good. We also got our X-Acto knife here. This is gonna be able to get into those edges, cut out any excess tint that we don't need. And to help us with that, we got, let me explain the squeegee. We got one side, which is basically our finer edge. It'll help us get into those corners more and make it a more airtight look. And also with this Pro Felt squeegee, that'll kind of help go over those air pockets without actually cutting the vinyl. Here, obviously, we got our heat gun. This is basically what's gonna make our vinyl stick to that plastic, go through all that weather, not be able to peel off or fall off. So this is kind of essential. You could use a hair dryer, preferably use a heat gun. You could be a little bit closer. You're not really gonna burn any of your vinyl, and it's gonna be a lot faster and a lot more efficient. So if I were you and doing any vinyl tints to your car on your own, of course, DIY is kind of the most preferred way to go. Get yourself a heat gun. So I'm gonna take you guys outside. I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and we're gonna delete this amber that's on the side of this headlight. Alright, y'all, so I kind of have it all set up right now. I got everything in a box at the moment because I don't want to get dirt on anything. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you guys up here. Alright, so basically now that I have you guys up here, I'm gonna run you through everything we basically need to do to get this orange off the headlight. I don't like it. I think there's too many colors clashing. I think if we just black it out, it'll be a lot better. I don't want to black out the whole entire headlight. That's not my look. Just getting rid of this amber delete should make this headlight a lot sharper. So I'm gonna run you guys through everything that we need to do. I strayed away from doing this for a while because there is actually a clear amber piece out there that you could go get to actually take out this orange piece, take out the headlight, actually put the clear amber in there, and then it makes the headlight look a lot cleaner and a lot clearer. I like it preferably a little bit better than the gloss black, but I couldn't find it. If you guys go online, you guys will notice that that piece is kind of nowhere to be found. So the next best thing, you either got the smoke screen or the gloss black screen, and that's kind of what I went with, the gloss black amber delete. We're gonna go ahead and I think, how does this even go? Pretty sure it goes like this. Yeah, that's exactly how it goes. So it's not gonna cover your eyelid, it's just gonna go right on it. You're just gonna have to line it up perfectly. I'm pretty sure we could do a good job at that. So let's go ahead and get this started. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do, honestly, go ahead and take the spray bottle that they give you and fill it up with water. You don't need soap or anything like that. Me personally, I just use water to spray down the area. And they supplied me with a microfiber towel, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that as well just to clean down the area. Make sure it's clean, dry to the touch. That way before we go ahead and attach our vinyl, it's all good. Once you kind of got the sticker on there, you're gonna go ahead and want to get all the bubbles out. So go ahead and take your felt squeegee and go from the middle out to get all those air sockets out of your vinyl. Alright, so now that you got it kind of lined up with the amber, now you go ahead with your X-Acto knife and go ahead and just get the excess vinyl that's hanging off your headlight. Alright y'all, so here we got the result. I'm going to show you guys the differences on screen real quick. But as you see, it makes for a really aggressive look within this front end. It almost makes it look like it's wearing makeup, but it really makes these eyes look a lot more aggressive, a lot sharper. And let's get the heat gun so that way we could finish this off. Alright y'all, so we're just gonna hit this side with the heat gun real quick and then we should be done with our vinyl. So just stay about 1 inch to 2 inch away from your headlight. Make sure you're not burning any of the plastic or melting any of your paint. You just want to make sure that plastic shrinks on to your headlight. Also make sure you have your squeegee handy, that way you could take out any air pockets that might pop up while you're heating up this vinyl. Go ahead and turn it on. Honestly, that should be it. It kind of looks like it is stuck on there pretty good. Alright. That is looking stuck on there. It's looking real good, real glossy too as well. It is making this headlight look very aggressive. It's very subtle. You can't really notice that it is a tint, so it's looking pretty flush on there, and I really like how it's looking. But wow. Yeah, no, that's real nice. That's basically it. That is the amber delete for my Q50. We are going to do a lot more aesthetically to this, but I realized this is actually the first aesthetic thing that I've done to this car on this channel. Like I said, gloss black amber delete to the 2015 Infiniti Q50. It's really making these headlights look real clean. I'm very happy with how it came out. But that's going to be it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share to this channel. I really do appreciate it. And make sure to comment. I love to answer you guys' questions down in the comment section. You know I get to you guys as fast as possible with the best answers I can to help you guys throughout your Infiniti Q50 or automobile journey. Whatever the case may be, please shoot me all your questions. I'd love to answer them. For right now, I gotta clean all this up. I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna enjoy this little tent that I got, and hopefully it lasts till the morning. I mean, I live in Florida, so it rains every couple of minutes, so hopefully it lasts throughout the weather. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm Double R, that's my Q50, and I'm out.